Hello everyone, welcome to Hilton Mar Caribe all-inclusive resort here in Cancun, Mexico. In this video, I'm giving you a full property tour, and at the end, I'll tell you honestly whether this resort is worth your time and your money. Here is the main entrance. If you are driving, there's a secure parking area right by the building. The moment you walk in, you're greeted by a bright, open and modern lobby. The design feels fresh, clean and well organized. The property definitely gives you that neat resort energy. Right across from the front desk is the lobby bar. It's open 24 hours, serves everything from cocktails to specialty coffees. So late night espresso, no problem. Next to the lobby, you'll find an entertainment center, Sandbar Social. It's air-conditioned, perfect for escaping the Cancun's heat, and it's a great place to hang out, play some games, and relax. This area is basically the heart of the property, and nightly entertainment happens right on the rooftop. This is one of the main pools, and this section is more adult oriented. Between the two main pools is the Seaside Pool Bar, which quickly became one of my favorite spots. Besides cocktails, they serve snacks and hot food throughout the day. On the other side of the property, you will find a more family-friendly pool area. It's shallower and includes a water slide area for kids. So whether you are traveling as a couple or with a family, there's a good balance in here. And now, my favorite spot in the entire resort. These beachfront hot tubs are incredible. Sitting here with the panoramic Caribbean view, it's 10 out of 10. The loungers and umbrellas here don't require reservations, but they fill up fast. My advice, come here early and claim your spot. And here is the beach. The sand is soft, no rocks, very comfortable to walk on. Just keep in mind, the beach is not private. You'll see some people walking by and occasionally some vendors selling stuff. With that being said, we had zero issues. Vendors were respectful and the beach felt safe and relaxed. As you can see, there was some seaweed on the beach, more of the branchy type, not the slimy kind, and it was not overwhelming. The water was warm, but a bit rough during our stay, so we skipped swimming in the ocean. On a calmer day, it would be perfect. Let's go check out the gym. You access the gym area with your wristband. Inside you'll find clean towels, cold water, and some snacks. so you don't need to bring anything. The equipments are modern, well maintained, and there's a solid selection of free weights. Whether you're doing a quick workout or keeping up with your routine, this gym should be enough. Alright, let's go check out the room. We stayed in the 2-bed ocean view room. The wardrobe is a good size, plenty of space for longer stays. The bathroom feels spacious and modern. I really like the clean design, especially the shower layout. The minibar is included and refilled daily with drinks and snacks. Always a nice touch at all-inclusive resorts. And yes, I apologize for the mess, but you get the idea. Besides all that, look at this view. One thing to note, I thought all rooms had large balconies. That's not the case. Our had a smaller one. It wasn't a deal breaker for me, but if enjoying ocean breeze and sunset views is important to you, I would highly recommend upgrading to a room with a larger balcony. Alright, let's take it to the sky and see how Mar Caribe looks from above. So, is Hilton Mar Caribe worth it? If you're looking for a modern, family-friendly, all-inclusive with a solid food options, fun activities, multiple pools, and a beautiful beach, this is definitely a strong option in Cancun. If you're looking for adults only, something with more shops and restaurants nearby, you might want to check out Hyatt Vivid Playa del Carmen. It's about 40 minutes south, and I have a full review of that resort on my channel as well. If you have any questions about this resort, drop them in the comments. And as always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.